Okay, thank you for your confirmation. So today we are gathered here for studying about dojis. So today we are gathered here for studying about dojis. So a very good afternoon to everyone here. So myself Shrikant. So I'm live now from Bangalore. So this is my traders bootcamp as well as concept explain channel. Okay. So these are the channel. This concept explained since 2018 or it has been running. Okay. So today we shall be studying about this double doji here, wherein this double doji since 2018 to 2017 we have been using this on as well as following this. Okay, so in on traders bootcamp you can find the PDF study material of double doji, the screener that this is the charting screener. Okay, as well as a AMI broker scanner. This is a AFL coder wherein it scan on AMI broker software. It scans and gives you a list of stocks which are into double dojis. Okay, so now first let us see what is a doji. Okay, just if you go to Google and if you search for doji you can find it. Most of us say doji candle, doji candlesticks, pattern, doji star, all these are related to dojis. Okay, let me open any doji candlesticks here. So you may see, if you do come to images you may see n number of examples. So if you are not aware of doji, please Google about doji. Okay, then you can find the study material also from Investopedia, investing.com, everything. Okay, as well you can find videos also, multiple videos about dojis. Okay, so you can study. So I'm not going into deep discussion about how doji pattern, what is the doji, types of doji and all. Okay, but for understanding purpose, so we shall see what is a doji in brief. Okay, so doji is a candlestick pattern or a bar pattern also. Okay, you can find it on two chart types. Okay, there are multiple chart types, that is line charts, candlestick chart, bar chart, Henkin-Nashi. Okay, so multiple chart types are there. So in candlestick as well as bar chart you can identify this doji, whereas on line chart you cannot identify the doji pattern. Okay, so this is a typical doji candlesticks here. So wherein it has got a long lead. Okay, long lead high as well as low, but the open and close is very short. Okay, it is not as different bullish candle or bearish candle. So the high and the low, okay, in between the open and close is very short. Let it be green or red color. As well, the doji can be formed with a straight line also. Okay, straight horizontal line. Even this is a typical doji. Okay, there are many types, dragonfly, gravestone and all, so that we do not need it here. Okay, so what is a doji? The doji may appear in a variety of shapes, but the meaning of all them is the same. So doji, this is a typical doji. Okay, the basic default doji, wherein the derived dojis are these. Okay, fine. So well, even yes, I have got some examples here. So doji, the basic doji candlestick pattern is when a candles open and close are almost equal or with a difference. Here we can say these two dojis have got open and close at equal price. Okay, but excuse me, yeah, but here there is a slight difference. Okay, so when you can take this as a doji also with a slight difference, or you can consider, excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay, so it can be, doji can be with a slight difference between open and close, or the open and close can be equal. Okay, so when there is an equal, I'm sorry, excuse me. Yeah, so this has a difference here. Okay, but wherein these dojis, the open and close are at the same price. Okay, so here also one more example, this also the same, open and close are equal. So this is a doji. Okay, this, since as I said, since 2017 we are been using this. Okay, so very simple, very efficient one. So these are the scanners, this I'll come to later part. Okay, so now what is a double doji? See, this which I am showing you is a single doji. So if this two of them are being formed, okay, continuously two of them have been formed, so then we call that as a double doji. If three is formed, triple doji, and four dojis also can be formed. Okay, so in some stores you can find even four dojis. Okay, so now add posted two examples for study purpose. Okay, one first example was ABB. So here the ABB stock had made three dojis. Here the dojis have got a difference, slight difference between open and close. Is it not? See, it doesn't matter if it is a green candle or a red candle, okay, continuously formed, but it must be a doji with a short difference between open and close, or a short body. Okay, so here we had a three dojis here. So I had marked the green line as well as a red line. Okay, so see, the high of the doji, the low of the doji. Okay, we need to consider the highest of the highest high of the doji and the lowest low of the doji. Okay, say one more example was Astral. Okay, this was posted on 29th. Okay, here we have found same two continuous dojis with a short body. Here it was a red body, here it was a green body. Okay, so same, I have marked the highest high as well as the lowest low. Okay, so once you have found multiple continuous dojis formed, in Astral, can we find out any other dojis here? No, right? Here also the body length is more, we cannot consider this. Okay, the body length is more here, we cannot call it as doji. Okay, so whenever the body length is short or equals, okay, with a long leg on both sides, that is the high and as well as the low, we call that as a doji. So continuously minimum two dojis must be formed. So this was two examples, but on 29th, if I am scanning, let me show you the scan result. 29th April, is it not? So I had taken this range. So this is the AmiBroker software. The scanner I've already posted on the channel. So this is one doji, that is single doji, double doji, triple doji. Okay, this is the scanner which gives you multiple dojis if it is present or not. So these many, can you see? See here, these many, more than 50 to 100 stocks have been formed. Okay, double dojis. Can you see? But three continuous doji, only some few of them have been formed. Fine. So regarding this, I had selected ABB. Yeah, I had selected ABB here. Can you see? As well, after reviewing all the stocks from 5 paisa to Astral, okay, I had found out great examples of ABB as well as Astral. Fine. So this is how I've scanned. So well, this is an AmiBroker software. I'm using an EOD free data. That is end of the day get bar copy free data here. You will be getting live data also for starting with 300 rupees or 400 rupees also. But best data you will get it for 500 rupees monthly. Okay, intraday data. But EOD data you can use it freely. So this I'm presently using free data of EOD for the analysis done. Well, this is the scanner part. You can see you can choose from multiple scanners here. Okay, you can select the date range. Well, if you want to study this AmiBroker, there is another set of videos. Okay, on my YouTube channel there is a full library of AmiBroker learning. Just uh, you can just follow that. Okay, like from how to, well, let me show it. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so there is a library called AmiBroker. So this is what it is. How to download bar copy, EOD database, intraday database. Okay, charting, layouts, everything is there. Even one RSI 5 concept is also available there. You can just check on that. Okay, for learning series about AmiBroker. So well, after scanning this on 29th, okay, so I had selected this ABB and Astral. Okay, see there are many penny stocks also here. Okay, so all penny stocks are dojis here. So we need to verify it before selecting it. Even Akash, I think it is a penny stock. Yeah, see. So what happens? Even this it will show as doji because we have taken it as open is equal to close or open is minimal to the close. Okay, but till when I have scanned till Astral, I've got this. Okay, now let me explain you what is the difference between why ABB failed, why Astral was success. If you observe here what I have quoted here, example 1 ABB formed 3 doji. For entry and stop loss please refer the PDF posted. Okay, but for Astral I have mentioned example 2 Astral form 2 doji at top. So what this what this means? I have not mentioned anything here, but I have mentioned at top. At top means if you check the Astral, okay, if you check the actual Astral chart, this doji has been formed at the resistance. Okay, so this doji has formed at the resistance. Let me open the Astral for you. Yeah, why Astral was successful? Because what is Astral chart making here? Astral chart is making an higher lows, sorry, lower lows. Is it not? High, lower high, lower high. Okay, if you see already the Astral from March, that is 1760 to 2200 it has reached. Okay, and now it has been formed. Let me change the color one. Yeah, it has formed double doji here at the resistance level. Okay, so when when the example I had posted already, Astral had given a breakout. Okay, let me not explain you where is the entry, where is the exit and all. Please refer the double doji PDF posted. Okay, it has been posted multiple times. I have pinned the message also. Okay, please refer to that. Well, now let me get back. So already the entry had been given, but again the next day after the post we got an entry, and you can see the performance of this. Okay, now let me go to why ABB has failed. Yeah, where is ABB now on the chart? ABB, please use comment bots, okay, on the YouTube to chat here, to comment your, okay. So is it not ABB at a support level here? Okay, is it not ABB at a support level? Okay, so what ABB has done here, ABB has broken the lower low of the doji, okay, as per the strategy. But if one has observed this, the double doji sell has been given at the support level, we need to avoid it. Okay, so that is what happened here. After the double doji sell has been activated, the stop loss has been hit, okay, and it has reversed. Well, after reversing, can we take an entry or not, that is different part. But need to understand one need to understand here. So when already ABB is at the support level, okay, so why go on the sell side? Because the support hasn't broken yet, is it not? Can you make out from the charts? The support level hasn't broken here. Multiple times from November, December, the support level has been keep on tested. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Is it not? Is it not? Well, if I bring this support line a bit below to cover this the weights, okay, you can see before there was an resistance level, which now it is acting as a support level. So you need to avoid this. So got the point why Astral was successful and why ABB has been failed. I have mentioned here for that only. Form 2 doji at top, formed only 3 doji. I have not mentioned anything here because I wanted people to understand this. So only I have given only 2 examples of different types. Okay. So that is why I was waiting and I have posted today. Well, the answer for this learning 9, why did ABB fail through though having strong 3 dojis? Yeah, if you see, if you are having multiple dojis, yeah, what is a doji? Doji is an indecision candle. Here already the price has fallen and 3 dojis has been made. Okay, so that means there will be a reversal part here, reversal towards the primary trend. Okay, against the primary trend, sorry. Though here there is an indecision for 3 continuous days, though it has failed because of the support region. But Astral, though if you see, market was very bearish from Feb till now, is it not? But Astral managed from March to managed to gain up from March only. But now what happened? It couldn't sustain. Okay, because it had reached the resistance level. So that is why this sharp fall down here happened. Okay, so that is the reason here. Well, many of you people have answered correctly. Okay, see, because ABB doji pattern formed at bottom support and Astral formed at top, so ABB has fallen down. So same, even Shankar has given the answer. Okay, so this is the reason. Well, let us see and analyze some of them again now till date. Okay, as we have gathered here, we shall see some more examples of latest ones. I'm scanning for 29th April to yesterday's. Okay, so we have got this result. As your multiples are there, let me add to the watch list once again. Yeah, so these are all the double doji strips which I have got from the analysis. Okay, you can, I have selected all symbols also. I can filter it out. I can filter it out for Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 also. Let me take only Nifty 500. Okay, explore. So well, AmiBroker is a very user-friendly program. The software part, you can study you can watch the other videos. So wherein we have made what very easy method to explain about this AmiBroker part. Okay. Okay, I've got the latest ones here. Okay, yeah. So now what happened to Adani Power? Adani Power has formed double doji. You can consider this as double doji, this also double doji, is it not? Let me draw bots here. Okay, so as per this already entry has been given as per this first white bots. Okay, as per this also entry has been given, but I do avoid Adani Power. Why? Because Adani Power recently 2 days back has posted the quarterly results with huge profits, more than 4,000 crore profits it has been posted. So again it has been reversing. So keep in mind, when there is any events ongoing on particular stocks, please do avoid that. Let it be rights issue, dividends, okay, let it be quarterly results, let it be any sort of news also ongoing, okay, do avoid this. So I will not take any trade, though it has been at a what though it has been what already rallied much. I can take a chance here, okay, with this 300 as the stop loss. Sorry, yeah, 299.3, that is 300 as the stop loss. I can take a chance, but I do avoid this script. Got it? Yeah. Now AIA engineering, we have got a double doji. Okay, so now what is this double doji happening here at? It is happening at the resistance level. Got the point? Okay, so this we can short, this we can short, this we can go short once the lowest low breaken. For entry, exit and all, you can just see the PDF part. Clear? Am I going too fast? Please comment me. Should I slow down? Apollo tire, these two dojis. See here we get it with a date also. So the double doji form date was 2/5. Okay. So where is this double doji formed? Yeah, almost at the resistance level. Yes. Is it not? Okay. So this, if you see, already from 198 to 192 it has been given. Okay, still you can follow this up in the next, otherwise in next weekend again we shall see, study all this, what has happened on this. Bajaj Electrical, Bharat Forge, this I do avoid it. Why? Because it is at a 50% retracement level, is it not? See, it has formed at 50% retracement level, so that means it is in between. We cannot make any decision, it might go up also, it might come down also. This doji pattern what formed, it might, one second, it might move upwards. I'm sorry, it might move upwards as well, it might move downwards. After downwards again it might hit stop loss also, so I do avoid this. Got it? I do trade this double doji at the bottom level or at the top level. Clear? Contour, again what has happened, it is at in between retracement level. Fine, but here I do take a chance. Why? Because Contour was making a downtrend, continuous downtrend, but now it has broken the downtrend, made a higher high, first higher high. So this might act as a higher low. So Contour we might, but still I do avoid this launcher because of the range. Check the range here. We do not have the measuring gap here, but here the range is 672 to 626. 670 minus 626. Is it not a huge stop loss here? So do avoid this. Fine. We may take a chance of buying this, but the range is very high. Next, Dal Bharat. What is the trend? Falling trend. Okay, but what has happened here? I will draw and show you. By then you can comment on the chat box, please. Is it clear now? Here what happened? Next, where it will move? Next, where it will move? Will it move downwards or will it move upwards? Where should I mark it? See, it was coming in a downtrend, but now the uptrend has been started here. Okay, so one low, higher low, higher low, high, higher low. So here, once this doji high has been crossed, we can go. We can go by here. Okay, the trend, it will go like this again, down, again up. See, these are some basic to understand. Just by following the trend itself, we can get to know where the price action is, where the price is. Okay, yeah, Uma Shankar is saying that now it will move to make a form a shoulder. Yeah, if we consider like this, yeah, if we consider this, so this is left shoulder, head, and right shoulder may be found. But from this 1500 we can get 50 to 60 and 50 to 100 points, right? Okay, okay, Dal Bharat, this I will post it for reference. Okay, we shall see on the next class, on the next live session. Okay, let me clear it. Let me clear this. Got the point? Now next, Deepak nitrate. Oh, Deepak nitrate doji had been formed here. Yeah, 4 5 4 5. What happened? See, this we didn't get for analysis part only. This is the highest high, this is the lowest low. Where has it been formed? It has been formed at the chit as well. It is making low rise, fall, rise, fall, rise, fall. This is a typical example of astral. Okay, this is a typical example of astral. Understanding this? So with simple patterns also you can like may take decision here. High risk, What's happening? Iris, what happening? Uptrend. Now it is in downtrend. Down, 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 down. So almost at support, no supports. Yeah, almost near support level now. Fine. Already once it was trying to make higher high, but failed. Yeah, there is chance of going upwards here. There is chance of going upwards till 720, 730, till this line. Iris. Okay. Free tell. So avoid this. Why? This is a penny stock as well as making lower circuits. Do rate CP. Yeah. Do rate CP. What happened? Already you can see one pattern here since many days. Okay. What is this pattern named? Please comment. We have already studied this in our learnings. Fine. So yeah, if you consider this is the mid part which is taking support. Okay. And though our markets, that is Nifty and Sensex, on both the days falling, this is showing some recovery, is it not? So even this I suggest upside. It is not flat, it is W pattern. This we cannot consider as flat because the length of pole and the length of flag is almost similar. Okay, but this I was asking, this was a W pattern. Okay, W pattern, and already the mid has been broke out, and which has touched 832 high and retraced to 757. Okay, so now we have what have till now what have we gone through? Adani Power neglected, AI engineer short, Apollo tire already short has been taken, do nothing, Bharat Forge do nothing, excuse me, Contour do nothing because of the range. Okay, Dal Bharat upside, Deepak nitrate already done, so avoid this. Iris upside, free tail avoid, penny stock with lower circuit, do red CP upside. Fine. HAL. If you have any doubts, you can ask. If you have any doubts, you can ask. So it is a very simple pattern. Okay, please make use of it. Please, if you find, you can also include this with your strategies, or if you find at a resistance or support level on your favorite stocks, you can take positions. Okay, you can trade on options also with respect to the spot levels. Okay, I hope you understand something. I hope you understood something out of this session. Okay, so I think every weekend now on we shall study something on the live sessions. Yeah, so this is a charting scanner. Okay, charting scanner which gives you the previous data, previous day's data. Sorry, on previous day you need to scan this, so it gives you the next day data. So all these are presently formed. Okay, Mahanagar, Chambal, Bajaj Auto. Let me show you. Yeah, double doji. Can you see? So you need to scan this. So this is a previous day data for the next day. So post 3:30 or post 4 o'clock, please scan this. So you will get the next day's levels. So there are 14 stocks. Okay, wherein under this is under future segment. Okay, so you can change here to cash segment also and run scan. So then you will get 97 stocks with all those penny stocks, lower circuit and all. Okay, so better you keep it futures only. Okay, or Nifty 500. Fine. So 31 stocks you have got here. Let me cross check this on AMI broker. Here I am getting only 1, 2, 3, only few ones again. I don't know. I'm getting only few here. Might be, yeah. Nifty 500 mine is old watch list. Okay, that might be. Sorry, one second. There are 3 here, so that's the reason. Okay, there are multiples here. Nifty 500, Nifty 500, Nifty 500. Okay, still I'm getting 31. Okay, fine. Anyways, as I've got AMI broker and used to it, I just prefer this only. Okay, so all these are the next days. CA engineering, Bharat Forge. Okay, this we do avoid. We already discussed. Conquer, we do avoid because of the high range. Dal Bharat. Okay, bullish. Iris, bullish. Free tail avoid. Penny stock. Free tail again second time. Dorite CP, bullish. One second. Yeah. So ICICI Lombard. Okay. JM Financial. Fine. President. I think this is double top it has done. So mostly bearish side only. Okay. And also it has got huge range. Huge stop loss, risk reward is not favorable. Scalper, do avoid this. Spice Jet, do avoid this because this might be on result based. Okay, so it has got long tail wick here. Fine. So these are for next day. Okay, so same with scanner also. Charting scanner you can check on. I think some modification must be done here. Okay, but this gives you the previous next day data. Okay, on the previous day you cannot use this on live market because live market the doji has not been closed, right? Okay, formed and closed. Fine. So that is all the session about today. I hope you understood something out of this session. So these two are the scanners, you can make use of this. Okay, It is a very good, very simple strategy. So you only see Astral within 2-3 days. But see, when this is on the sell side, it gives you more returns, more quick returns. So I was personally using this for buying put options, okay, based on this, and I do select only the low range ones. Fine. So let us end the session here. So thank you everyone for participating it.